This is a video bike check of my BMX. Starting from the front, I have Odyssey keyboard grips, which are Aaron Ross's signature. I have Vocal Local XL bars in chrome. They're pretty good actually, they're really light and quite strong. I have a Colony Convict TL stem, top load, in gold. A fly headset, I'm not sure quite what one that is. Then I have the Federal 2020 HD forks, which are holding onto the proper Magna titanium front hub, laced onto a proper Magna light rim. But then the frame, I've got an Amity Zenta frame in raw, going along with it, and I've got the Amity Zenta cranks in raw, with a Salt Plus Echo sprocket, 25 tooth, and then Animal Hamilton pedals. I have a crappy exposure chain, half link gold. Have some sort of a duo seat post with a Federal mid pivotal seat. It was really good seat. It's really soft and nice. Then I have a proper microlight rear wheel, which is a complete wheel with fit FAF tyres on the back, 2.2. Then demolition momentum tyre on the front, which is 2.35. I think it's a pretty massive tyre because you can't get it on the back because it's too big. So that's my Amity Zenta bike check, and it weighs about 21 pounds, which is extremely light and it's very strong. Cheers for watching, please subscribe.